Taco al pastor. It's good. Today, I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna teach you how to make tacos al pastor. The traditional way in Mexico is in a trompo, similar to kebab, and you can see it in the picture. And today I'm going to show you how to make it at your home. A very special salsa that we call it adobo sauce. This kind of chili, you can find them also in Japan. Vinegar, some spices, cumin, pepper, bay leaves, cinnamon stick, also garlic and onion. The first thing that we're gonna do is the adobo sauce. For the adobo sauce, I need to clean the dry chili. What I have to do is to take out the first part of the chili and take out all the seeds. So it's important to clean and to take out all the seeds from the chili pepper because this is the part where it's going to be very, very spicy. And it's going to be around 1 minute just to hydrate the chili peppers. So to make the adobo sauce, I'm going to use a blender. I'm going to put the chiles and a little bit of the liquid that I use to hydrate my chilies. I'm going to add the bay leaves, vinegar, and all the spices. Salt. So this is the adobo sauce, and we're gonna use it to marinate the pork meat. We're gonna need pork meat. We're gonna need also pineapple, onion, pork meat, and what I'm going to do is just to slice the pork, and I'm going to do thin slices like this. And I'm gonna add some salt and pepper before adding the adobo sauce, okay? It's necessary to do it by both sides. Adobo sauce and spread it. You can feel the aroma of cinnamon, bay leaves, and all the spices that we use. And it's important to do it both sides as well. That's it. So we're going to put this in the fridge at least 30 minutes to get all the flavors, to the meat. And also we're going to cut the onion in strips. Now the pork meat it's marinated. It has to be very, very thin. The strips of onion, okay? Before roasting the meat, what we're gonna do is to roast pineapple, that it's going to be the sweet part of the al pastor taco. In Mexico, we cook this pineapple and also the meat with in a trompo, that is the shape that you saw in the picture, and also the flavor, smoky flavor, is because of the carb oil. So in this case, as you are doing in your home, we're gonna get the flavor, the smoky flavor, from the dry pan, okay? We're gonna start to turn them to all the sides of the pineapple get roasted, okay? So after 30 minutes that we marinated the meat, we're gonna start to grill it. And it has to be very, very hot, the pan. After 45 seconds or almost a minute, I'm going to turn the meat because I need to be cooked. So after 2 minutes that we grilled our pork meat, it's ready. Turn off the heat, and I'm gonna start to chop the meat. What I'm going to do is to grab the meat. That's it. What I'm gonna do is to put together in a fry pan the onion, the meat, and also the pineapple already roasted. So now the onion is already caramelized, and we are going to add the meat. At the end, we're gonna add some pieces of the pineapple. So now our preparation is done. The carne al pastor is done. The traditional tortillas are based in corn grain, and also we use this corn grain to make the traditional corn dough. We used to make tortillas in Mexico. This utensil that is a press. In Japan, we're gonna make the tortillas from scratch using a corn flour, water. It's important to have a plate and a plastic bag and a pan to cook the tortillas. I'm going to pour some water to start to make the corn dough, and I'm gonna check the texture with my fingers, okay? Good. If it's necessary, we're gonna add first half of the water, and then we add the rest. So, this is it. This is the texture of the corn dough that we're gonna use for tortillas. If you think it's a little bit dry, you can add more water, okay? Okay, so what is the second thing that we're gonna do when we already have the corn dough? We're going to separate it in small balls, okay? And we're gonna start to make the shape of tortillas. We need a plastic bag, and also we need a plate. Grab the bowl, we put it in the middle, and then we're gonna cover with the plastic bag and the plate in the middle and press, okay? And then open the bag and we have the shape of tortilla, okay? After we have the tortilla, it's necessary to cook it at the moment. So I have my non-stick fry pan. I already have the heat on, and I'm going to put the tortilla in the middle, okay? This is very important, how I put the tortilla. And I'm going to wait around 14 or 15 seconds until it gets cooked from one side. Then I'm going to turn and also wait another 15 seconds or 14 seconds and once more. So it's going to be just 3 rounds. I'm going to push a little bit. And it's going to start to have air in the middle. If you can see, it's a little bit fluffy. So that is the sign that I have my tortilla ready, okay? What we're gonna do is to try it in a taco, okay? We have already the tortilla, carne al pastor, pineapple, and salsa verde. This is the real taste of Mexico. It's a very simple recipe. I hope you can do it in your place.